who can view your liked video on TikTok. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can set privacy that who can view your like video on TikTok. So without wasting time, let's start video. So firstly open the TikTok application. So after opening the TikTok application, so you can see here profile at the bottom right corner. So after this you can see here three lines on the top right corner, then click on setting and privacy. So after click on setting and privacy, you can see here privacy option, so click on privacy. So after this you can see here liked video, so click on liked video. So here select everyone. So guys, in this way you can see when you will select everyone, now everyone can watch your liked video. So guys, in this way you can set privacy that who can watch your liked video. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.